Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Mama's African Pot. Today we are going to prepare charcoal steamed chicken with potatoes. But before that, we'll have to go to the market to buy the chicken. And here I am bargaining for the chicken I chose. The best thing about buying the chicken from this fellow is that he does the cleaning and slaughtering. But to avoid seeing what he did to the chicken, how he slaughtered the chicken, I just had to go to some other place to buy some maize coke. When I came back, the chicken was already slaughtered and he was busy cleaning them. So please keep on watching. We cook the chicken kienyeji together up to the end. Thank you and be blessed. This was also a very special day for my last born daughter. This was her birthday. We had a lot of surprise for her. Keep on watching.
Ukipenda pade sikuna baadhi na nani soft hizi kuku zako ni improved improve kienyeji yenyewe
ile ngumu ile ambayo inakuwa na ile kucha
nigen jogo kama hii hapa
hii ndio kuna kucha kubwa hapa kuna ujogo kuna kucha ilikuwa hapa jana
na kuna watu wanapenda hizo za kucha
China China alichukua yote jana
zizo za kucha. So the best thing with this place is they slaughter and they do the washing for you. So I've gotten a good gentleman who is doing the washing. Diesel. Na wachina unawachinjia?
Nafanya ngozi kwa nini kwa tolea manyoya. Kwa hiyo nasema at least kienyeji kuliko broiler. Ile dawa.
Broiler ni dawa by the way.
Yeah, we had interesting conversation with him. The best chicken broiler, compared broiler to the kienyeji chicken, and he advised me this is the best chicken for any given time. While I was just there waiting for my chicken to be cleaned, some fellow came and took about 5 chicken. As he told me, he does this washing for about 100, or when it is very slow, 30 chicken per day. That's good business. Let's continue watching. Yeah, here I am home with my kuku. So let's start cooking. I'll start by cutting into small pieces, manageable pieces. The chicken is quite big. I would say it's about 1.5 kilos or 2, and enough for about 10 or 5 people because I had 2 chickens. So this is what I'm doing. I'm cutting them into small pieces. Then I'll do some other things with the chicken. Continue watching. I don't want to empty.
Ile ni ndefu, ni kubwa. Kwa vile
give me your ears.
Si pana lakini ni kubwa.
And see what exactly I'm gonna do with the kuku. Thank you.
Huyo sasa ni mkia makelele.
Nafika huko. Unaweza kuangusha mtihani.
Afadhali ingekuwa imepanda huko juu.
Hawezi kwa sababu mpaka aonekane amekaa kama.
Hapa akiwa na meza kule itakuwa ni rahisi.
Ndio sababu anagombana na hiki. Sisi atapata mguu.
Unafika.
Kwani saa 9? Kwa saa 9 ikifika ndio tusipike.
Hajafika. Kwani saa 8?
I normally deep fry the potatoes. I just give them a fry, not to cook, but to just hold them together. Then after that, I mix with nyama. Meanwhile, let's boil the peas for my daughters. So. Are you fasting for something? I have also been fasting. Come out of the book.
Decided not to. It was something I felt like
We should do.
yeah.
We should put it chicken. Just chicken. Fish.
Nowadays I even feel more strongly
About it.
yeah.
After mixing the semi-cooked meat and the semi-cooked potatoes, I put charcoal on top and some charcoals at the bottom. Then I let them steam. While the chicken is charcoal steaming, I'm doing a vegetable sauce for my vegetarian daughter. It's a mixture of peas, green maize, carrot, and I'll add some milk in it. So continue watching and see what exactly will happen at the end. And thank you for watching. I'm very glad up to this junction we are together. Bless you. I normally boil the peas with salt so that they retain the color. As you can see, they're very green. They retain the green color. That is the sauce for the rice. Sasa mchele utapasha moto vipi?
Hapo jikoni.
Ama utachemsha maji uweke ndani?
Itakuwa uji.
Yaani hilo chemshe maji uliweke ndani. Ama au kukua nini?
Au
Daniel.
Daniel had posted something on his status. Yeah, an event for an orchestra thingy. Said it looks interesting. I commented and then he's like,
I roasted my maize cob, and while I was doing it, my daughters were busy chatting. They had a friend who visited them. As I said before, my younger daughter, my last born, had a birthday. So it was something, just a small celebration with their friend. So we're almost through. Continue watching. You had a taste of the green maize. They were very soft and sweet. As you can see, I'm enjoying, because I was I don't know whether to call myself the roaster or the burner. I was the one who was roasting the maize. The best thing about this day of chicken, potato, peas, it was also a surprise for my young daughter, a birthday surprise. You can see there was a small cake, and she enjoyed so much. She really appreciated, because we just did it without her knowledge. And they invited a friend, and we shared together with a friend. My granddaughter was also there, Lucy. She was the one who was doing almost everything, the card and the cake. So she was very happy. I know you're all wondering why I'm concentrating on the chicken leg. When my daughter says this is one of your best meat in the chicken, surprisingly there is no much meat, but I really love eating chicken. It was just the best. I didn't even bother to get the chicken meat. I just did my chicken leg. Oh yes, I enjoy the chicken leg. I enjoy everything. I enjoy the company, the birthday, the small birthday celebration. And I'll just say thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you're new in my channel. Comment, like, share. And if there is any clarification, please do ask. Bye for now. Let's meet another time. Same channel. See what Mama African Pot cook. Kwaheri and be blessed.